Hey guys, this is Robert C. Stays here. So I use this technique and save me over $100,000 over the years, and you can do it too. So I use this underrated way to save me over $100,000 throughout the years, and I can guarantee you it's easy, simple, and fast. But it just requires a consistency and also a little bit of confidence. I know it sounds like I'm exaggerating, but before we click off this video, I want to show you the concept and the mindset and the perspective behind this reason, and that way you can also save your money. Over the course of years, I have spent hundreds of thousands of dollars on my architect and engineers. And throughout these years, I have spent series of emails, text message, or phone calls range from 5 minutes to 30 seconds, and it saved me over $100,000. And I guarantee you, it also saved you money. So you're gonna tell me, Robert, we're in the US, we don't do that over here. That's BS, because I went to Glendale Galleria and bought this shoes from Topman. It was retail at $65, and then it was on sale for $45. Then I found there's a little scrub mug, so I went to the desk and I asked them, hey, can I get a little discount on that? The manager came over and said, you know what? I'll give it to you for 12 bucks. And I got this for 12 bucks. Think of it this way, an architect want to charge me $20,000 for my project. And by the way, in Los Angeles, it's a lot more expensive. Now, I sat down and took 5 minutes to write an email or 30 seconds to write a text message and told him that, you know what, I'm willing to pay $15,000. And he come back at 16. Now I took 5 minutes to 30 seconds to save $4,000. This is the technique called negotiating, and you should be doing it every single time when you go out and buy something. By the way, you shouldn't be doing this at a doctor's office or when you're picking up medicine pills. For instance, if I'm making $120 an hour, $2 a minute, that means I have to work 34 hours extra to make up the $4,000 if I didn't negotiate with my architect. On the other hand, if I'm making $120 an hour and I'm going to spend the money to hire an architect anyway, that means I save 34 hours of my life by negotiating the price in 5 minutes. Let's spin it another way. I save $4,000 in 5 minutes, which calculates into $48,000 in 1 hour. Who wouldn't want to make $48,000 in 1 hour? All you need to do is adopt this negotiating behavior in your daily life, and you can be saving money constantly without you knowing it. As a realtor, the huge part of my job is negotiating on behalf of my clients. Everything is negotiable. Now, real estate is not the only place I use to negotiate though. So when I was in Bali 3 months ago, I bought this. When I was in the market, it was $20 just for the head. Now, I negotiated the person down to 10 bucks within a couple minutes. And he also threw in the free stamps with it. It doesn't even come with the elephant head. While I'm showing you all the things I've negotiated, I want to show you that you can also incorporate these things in your life, and you can also save a lot of money, whether you're getting married, or you can pay for the credit card, you can negotiate the credit card debt, or even a student loan. And on top of that, you can also negotiate with your boss for a raise. I know it seems intimidating to ask for a raise with your boss or asking for a discount to lower the cost. But however, if you do these things within the matter of minutes, you can also save a bunch of money. But what is the worst? As they say no. If they say no, just go to the next person. There will always be another person or another item that's out there that you can negotiate. So I hope you like the tip and you can incorporate it in your life. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Again, this is Robert C. Stays here. You can find me on Instagram or YouTube. I'll see you next time.